Right side behind the street, right here where I'm shooting. Right there, right there. Get his gun, get his gun.
He's out!
My gun's low.
Big ass tube. Okay.
Battery.
Shit.
Hey, he's out on the left. We can keep going.
Yeah, they're filling in. Go, go. Pull the clock.
Yep, behind the crate. Right here where I'm shooting. Pull the clock. Crate moving left.
What's up? That was a good push, dude. Yeah, it was.
Kept on inching and inching. All of a sudden they were far enough back and they were falling back. I mean, we just that was awesome.
Is that thing popping louder today?
Huh?
Is that barrel popping louder today?
I feel like it just echoes more because it's in the woods.
I think so.
That breeze. Yeah. He's down the hill.
Oh, he pushed off. Eric! Eric!
Eric!
Woo! Eric!
All right.
Push all the way around. Nice shot, dude.
I ran out of paint or I would have been doing more.
You're out of paint?
Yeah. Like as soon as I got down there, I ran out. I'm like, fuck.
Another bigger pack.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. There's a bridge, right?
Ready? They're going to be crossfiring.
What do you think about those black the black bricks over there?
Someone get that white one.
Hey! All right, spread out! 3 feet apart! 3 feet apart! Let's go!
Spread out over there, watch the road, okay?
Watch the paint, watch the road! Okay. Straight ahead, straight ahead!
He's pushing up! He's out! Let him out! Tank left!
Tank left!
Tank! Tank! Tank!
Dig in up here! Dig in!
Tank coming left! Push it right! Push it right! He's out!
No, he's not! Okay, he is.
Good shit.
You try right?
On the road! Right side of the road! Behind the tree!
See his arm, see his arm.
Big tree, B tree behind
I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna try to rush him. I got him.
What is he mad about? I shot him from up here, he didn't get out, so I kept shooting him.
I shot him too from the back. I fell down into the fucking swamp.
You okay?
My back is soaked, bro.
Oh no! Oh shit! Oh! Maximum effort, dude.
Yep.
He's hit! He said hit, I think. Yep, yep.
I heard hey, but he made me hit.
Alright, keep on inching forward. Want to keep on trying to push up left side here where the structure is?
I don't know how much paint they got left.
Alright, I'm gonna move left.
Okay.
Straight ahead and that.
Coming across?
Yep. See the structure? Yep. get out, get out.
He's out!
Still there, still there. He's running. Tank, right side! Tank, right side!
Tank! Tank!
Eric, get down! Get down, get down!
Tank on the road!
Get down! I got 1 pod.
I think I've got one left too. I just can't remember which one it is.
I get you. Yep.
One left. Sweet.
Oh shit.
Tank's coming up behind us. Tank coming up!
Yellow! That's yellow!
Yellow!
Hey! Yellow! Yellow!
This is all I got for paint. You want to try to head back?
Head back and refill, and you can get cleaned
I
up.
was gonna say, are you staying out?
No, I'll head back with you.
Okay.
Salty peanuts, we're heading back. Nick and I are heading back. Nick's gotta clean up and we gotta refill. There, we're gonna head back, bud. Hey, make sure you check that structure, Yellow. What's that, man?
Can't go that way.
Right? I was gonna say, that was kind of my plan, but no, I guess not.
I was trying to get out, they fucking kept shooting me.
I saw that, dude. That fucking lit your ass up.
Like, I know they can't see that, but
Right.
I kept
Yeah, man.
fucking going there, dude. Fucking fell in the swamp too, dude.
I did too.
Fell off
Fucking
that bridge,
straight in my back. I went to flank some guy on this water crate over here, went into the woods and just fucking fell right in.
It's fucking disgusting.
It is.
I gave up on that. Yeah.
Oh, you Yellow? Yeah. You still in?
Yeah, it's a long
You're
walk.
shooting your teammates.
Yeah, we were yellow, yeah.
Damn, that sucks. I was gonna say, we were.
I was gonna say, we have like this whole fucking thing.
Yeah,
We
dude.
came from that way, so.
I did not expect you guys to be here, sorry, man.
Across? Yeah. Yeah, that's all yellow. Too.
Yeah, we're all, yeah, we
You guys
came
are killing
across.
all your own
Hey,
guys.
yellow! Yellow! Yellow!
Yellow! A little confusion.
Oh,
Don't forget the chain and the lock.
you have to take it back.
Chain and lock!
Chain and lock.
Wait, did that end the game?
Whatever, I'll walk it.
Alright, I do think. Where you guys at?
We're walking back up from the spawn. We just picked up the rocket from Castle and brought it back.
Alrighty. There's a shooter.
Mitch and Eric should be walking back up any second. You know it wasn't me.
I know what we do.
You see that? It fucking skimmed my hopper, dude. He's out! Splatter.
No, you just said splatter. You're good. That's good enough.
Got it?
Yeah, buddy. Come on.
Good push, Yellow, good push! Also out. Hey, was that you that ran up?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah, dude, that was sick.
I saw you running, I'm just like, come on!
There was a red like right up at the other end too. You guys ran right at each other.
I'm cleaning.